Greetings everyone and welcome. My name is Corinna from the Boho Abode, and today I'm so excited you're joining me for my bedroom tour. I've lived in this house for more than 7 years and it's taken that long to get the bedroom feeling just right. I've played around with the decor, the organization, the furniture arrangement, but being such a small room, it's hard for things to feel open and cozy at the same time. So hopefully those of you who also have small rooms can kind of see what I've done and get some inspiration for making your room feel awesome as well. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you want to see more from me, and let's jump into this. Standing in the doorway, you pretty much see the entire room. It is a small room, so I've been careful with the furniture arrangement to give us the most functional floor space possible. And that means putting the dresser directly in front of the door. This dresser is a vintage Edward Shockey sculptured pine 8-drawer dresser, and it's been the perfect amount of space for our things. On the bit of wall space here above the laundry hamper, I have my DIY jewelry hanger, which I will have linked in the cards and down below if you missed that video. And above the dresser, I have this poster with these 2 sconces that I have put plants on. On top of the dresser, I have a few decorative bits as well as some storage containers because in a small room, storage is everything. I also have the necessary fan for my husband and the necessary diffuser for me. This furniture arrangement left a little bit of an awkward corner here, but I've used it to put our laundry hamper basket as well as a tall plant. I don't have a large collection of jewelry, but what I do have is stored on this DIY jewelry hanger, as well as in a decorative trinket bowl on the shelf on the nightstand below it. All of the bedding are items that I have had for a while now, and I pulled them all together because they match the colors in the comforter pretty much perfectly. I've used a lot of secondhand items in this room, like the shelving in the corner here I'm using to display some plants by the window. I also have this thrifted plant hanger over the bed, as well as the rattan Craigslist fine ceiling light. Above the nightstand in this corner, I have this amazing shelf chandelier I found on eBay that I just fed a basic pendant light through. And it's kind of hard to see because of the sunlight coming through, but here is a look at the floral garland I have over the windows. And then to the left of all of this, I have 2 art pieces on the wall. I have them framed in matching wood frames, and this one I had to have because I feel like the girl in it looks like me. And then this one I thought was so perfect because it has all of the colors that are in the room. And then coming back towards those secondhand shelves, I have this single window here that has a little succulent in it, as well as a thrift store scarf that I hung for privacy and to block a little bit of light. And then the shelves themselves, my dad actually gave these to me, and I just spray painted all of the black hardware gold and hung it up so that I would have a place for some plants in here, as well as some meaningful decor like this adorable retro Bluetooth radio. I've got my terrarium here, my Buddha statue with the rose quartz. I have this one mirror in the room, and this one I found at a thrift store, and I just love the texture to it. And this lucky sign, which is kind of a cheeky nod to what happens in the bedroom. And these beautiful white statues. Probably the biggest project of this whole room was refinishing these doors and adding new hardware. I think they add so much to the room. And that's basically the whole room here. You can see how everything is laid out and all of the little decorative pieces that I have in here. Honestly, I just love hanging out in here. Obviously, I love sleeping in here, but I just really love the way everything felt like it was meant to come together. All of the pieces with multiple colors matched the other pieces with multiple colors, and it just was kind of magical how that all happened. I hope you've enjoyed taking this tour of my bedroom and that it's given you some small bedroom decorating ideas. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to see more from me. I do have a blog that I will have linked below and an Instagram, so please come check me out on those. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!